We are on our way to Krabi, Thailand. There's the plane. We've got our hats on. Let's go. Alright, so here we are. Come to our room. Have a look at this. How pretty is that? Oh, they said they upgraded us for free. Oh, king size bed. Sweet. I might actually get to sleep like with some space. Got the chef bathroom here. Look, they even filled the bath up with water and put some stuff in. So obviously wasting water is something they do here. And down the veranda we have the pool. Oh, alright, it's just down here. And everyone lying around it because it's pretty warm, about 32 degrees Celsius. But yep, this is where we are. Good old Thailand, Krabi. So this is the resort we're staying at, the Buritara Resort. How much was it a night? About $50?
With tax.
With tax?
Slightly under 50.
It was about 100, wasn't it?
What?
It's about 100 a night.
It depends, it fluctuates.
But we surfed the net and just waited and waited. We had a few hotels in mind, and then the best time to book is like the day before, because if they got spare rooms, they've dropped the price right down. So we just waited until the day before we booked. And now we've booked, and we got some cheap flights as well. Oh my god, there's people walking around in bikinis. And yeah, so that was good. So now we're going to go and buy some water. We'll find a family mart. Check out the beers.
Thai massage 200.
So that flight from Singapore to here was 1.5 hours, so it's a pretty quick flight. Alright, so we're in the supermarket. We're going to try and find some water, and we were just checking out the beer prices, and they're really cheap. Yeah, look at this. So it's about 4 to 1, let's know, 100 is like $4. So 56 for a big bottle of Tiger, that's like $2 for a big bottle. Got the Chung, oh well, I should try that, that's 50, that's the same, that's like $2. What's this, $2 for 2 bottles of Chung? So alcohol prices here are a lot cheaper than Singapore. Probably about half the price or more. So that's good. Oh, hang on. Oh, you have to come at a certain time. You can't buy between, what, 2 and 5?
No.
Anyway, that's good to know. But look at this. If anyone wants to put some beer on my beer fund and dare me to drink one of these things,
What's that?
it's $8 for this. How big is that? Does it say on there? Here.
1 liter.
That's 1 litre. $8. Have a look at this mess of power lines. And you can actually hear a surge of power coming from one of these. It's going bzz, bzz, bzz. Awesome. Anyway, we're still walking around. Let's head in. Whoa! Let's head into town. So here we go, we've got a bridge here. And look at this beautiful construction. And that water, there's fish in it.
Yeah.
But the smell coming off it, let's just say, smells like open sewerage. Yeah. Is that polite enough? But have a look around these big hills, the forests on them. Yeah, it's definitely third worldish still here. It's more like 2.5 world, I reckon. Broken footpaths, rubbish, vines on the power lines, half finished built things, people sitting around. Oh, beer, no wonder. So cheap here. I'll be hitting you later on, my friends. Later on. So here's some restaurants along the street, and have a look through the view out the back of the islands. Looks nice. We'll have to come to one of these at some stage. Maybe. Should see how much they cost. Oh, here we go. This is starting to look more like us. We've got to try and change some money. So we haven't bought anything yet. Look at that. That looks very tropical. Oh, we made it. Bernice, we made it, Bernice. Yay! Let's have a look at the beach.
So when the tide goes out, they say you can walk out to those islands when the tide goes really low.
Oh, okay. What are those boats called again?
The long tails.
Long tails.
Yeah. Careful.
Ah. So we've been walking in the other direction, and this is sort of the main street of Krabi. The cliffs in the background. Well, it's just full on tourism. But over here we got some boats going out. Oh, there's people sunbaking. Whoop! Bit windy. So just walking around the main tourist strip here. It's nice and shady, but just junk for sale. Full of tourists. Haven't been harassed too badly, but they still want to try and sell you stuff and get you in. Well, here we go. Look, wood oven pizza. Only, what's that? $6. A beer was $4, just under $4. Well, Bernie's is straight into Macca's. We'll go and have a nice cold Coke. What do you reckon? So I went and I bought some of this Thai beer, Red Horse it is, 6% alcohol. So it's pretty tough, pretty harsh stuff. This was about $2 for a big 640 mils. Let's see what colour it is. That looks nice, doesn't it? That looks like a nice colour. Rich and caramelly. Lots of bubbles. Nice head on it. Oh, that smells good. Yeah, it sort of tastes like that China beer I had the other day. It's got a bit of a watery aftertaste. But it's got some full strength to it. Look at the bubbles coming off it. I can't believe how bubbly and fizzy it is still. Must mean the glass is dirty. There's plenty of fizz in this thing. And it's pretty strong. And you want to make sure it's a session ale because it's about 35 degrees Celsius at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and you need to drink this fast before it goes warm. So make sure if you're in Thailand, that's what you do. Just a bit of a tip for you. Drink it fast. Another one, thanks. It's dinner time and we're going out to try and find somewhere to eat. Nine o'clock. We're still trying to find somewhere to eat. Luckily, I just went and grabbed a Leo. I'll tell you what, this is a good beer. Cost me $2, but still. The staff here just do not care about anything because they're probably underpaid. I see people going in, spending heaps of money on like ice creams, like their month's salary on an ice cream. They're like, what do I care? So. But yeah, I've got the Leo here. I'll tell you what, it's a good beer. But we're looking for somewhere to eat. Oh, look at these prawns. Remember? Oh, what's that song? Is that salmon? Oh, look, prawns, baby. And it says New Zealand mussels. Yippee! Oh, barbecued, mate. There's your choose. So that's $3.50. So that's like so that's 3, 4, 12, 30, $14 for a buffet. But I know I can do better, so I'm not going there. Let's find somewhere better. Okay, we're still finding somewhere to eat because the last place didn't serve us. We were there for like half an hour, no food, so we left. Well, that's what you get when, you're on holidays, you just walk out. If they're not going to feed you serve, feed you food after half an hour sitting there in an empty restaurant, then you're just going to walk out. So we're trying to find somewhere else to go for dinner. Oh my God, what's this? Oh, I am aroused. Oh, wow. Wow, we found some night markets. Let's go have a look. Oh my God, the smell coming from here is great. And look. Sexy as hell. Oh my God. Hi, sexy. Yeah, dance, baby. Here we go. Oh, look. Oh, sushi. Well, there's a whole heap of different food we've discovered here and nightlife, but then over here there's a whole different area of like young punks sitting around playing pool and drinking beers and oh, karaoke here. What doesn't this place have? Australia, Singapore. Oh, that looks beautiful. I like this walk. Thank you. Here we go. Beautiful restaurant quality meal right here. Looks awesome. Can't wait to eat it. Alrighty, here we go. Let's try this meal. Wow. That's good. Spicy too. Bought some Thai green curry from Family Mart. Let's go home and try it. Anyway, we went to the 7-Eleven and got a curry for dinner after everything. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.